about mic was when I got this particular Type-C microphone for my smartphone, for my Samsung phone. But ever since I lost my phone, I've not been able to use this particular microphone because the phone I'm currently using is not Type-C. So I've been making my recent videos without any microphone, just my smartphone mic, the built-in smartphone microphone. But recently, after getting some suggestions from my viewers, I started to look around and see if there is actually a microphone that is compatible with the phone I'm using. It's still Samsung, the old model of Samsung, but it's not Type-C. It has this normal Android USB that we call brush mouth, something like this here. So while searching on Google, I found something that is compatible with this phone, and that is this K35 microphone. It comes with this transmitter, and it allows you to use this particular USB microphone, this wireless USB microphone, without needing the Type-C port. So this particular K35 mic will work for all kinds of phones, so long as your phone comes with a port that you can insert, you can plug this thing into. Alright, so when you unbox your own K35 microphone, you're going to see this, a manual, the light is obstructing it, a manual on how to use the microphone. You're going to get a USB Type-C charger to charge both the transmitter and the receiver. You're going to charge them before use and after use to allow you to use it next time. Now, most of the ones you're going to see online comes with 2 transmitter and 1 receiver with 2 charger. But there are other ones that comes with just 1 transmitter, just 1 mic. So be sure of what you're getting. If you want the 2 of them, if you want two receiver, 2 microphone, make sure you look carefully to ensure that the one you're getting, the package, the box you're getting contains 2 microphones, not 1, so that you avoid paying the price of 2 and getting only 1, especially if you're ordering online. When you're done charging both of them, it shouldn't take more than 15 minutes each for both of them to charge. When it's charging, it's going to show the red light, but when it's full, it's either going to switch off, it's either not going to show any light, or it's going to turn to green to show that it's already full, the battery is full, it's been fully charged. So what you do next is to switch it on here. There's a button here, you can see. Switch it on. It's on now. The light is blinking, showing different colors. This means that it's trying to pair. It's trying to pair with the transmitter. Alright, so I'm going to switch this particular, the mic on. Just press the button here, the button here, and it's going to switch on. Once it's green, it is on and it is fully charged. Now, once you switch this particular one on, this one is going to show a light that shows that it has paired with this particular microphone. It has paired with, both of them has paired. The transmitter and the receiver has paired. So when it shows this green light, this is green, like really bright green light. It means that it is in mode 1, and mode 1 is the amplifier mode. So if you're not using it for the amplifier at that moment, this is not the right color. This is not the right color. If you want to use it for your phone, it's going to show the blue light. Now, there are 2 different kinds of light. There is a blue light and there is a light blue light. Don't confuse both of them. If it's in the light blue light, it's not going to work for your phone. This is green at the moment. If I press it again just once, it's going to show the blue light. This is the main blue light for using when you want to use it for your phone, to record videos for your phone. And then there's another blue light. If you want to use it, that's mode 3. If you want to use it on your sound card, this is a light blue light. I don't know if you can see the difference between the blue light and the light blue light. But if you see it in reality, you're going to see the difference between light blue and blue. The other one is darker, while this one is lighter. Sorry for the noise outside. I'm not yet using the microphone. It's not yet plugged in. So when it's showing this light blue, it is not on phone mode or camera mode. So you have to press it again just once, and it turns back to this green. It's rotating between the 3 lights. Now you press it again to get it into the blue light. This blue light, the dark blue light, the darker blue light is where you need it to be for you to be able to use it. So I'm going to plug this particular one into my phone and then clip this mic somewhere on my clothes, or even just hold it, and then we're going to test how well this microphone works. Alright, so let's do this together. Right now I've connected the transmitter and the receiver on the phone and also on my clothes. As you may have noticed, the first try didn't work at all. It was bad, real bad, just totally destroyed the audio. And ever since then, I've been trying out different things, several things, going from Google to YouTube and back to Google, trying to figure out what the problem might be and what the solution is to fix it, because I literally have a lot of video ideas already penned down, waiting for when I get this microphone so that I can start churning out as many videos as possible. In one of the YouTube videos I watched, they suggested that I should download Open Camera. Open Camera is a free camera app that allows you to make videos just like your normal camera app. Most of this wireless microphone works really well with Open Camera, because in Open Camera you have the option to, when you go to the settings, to click on use external mic if possible. Yes, there's an option there if you go through the video settings. So you click on that option so that whenever there's an external mic connected to your phone, it can pick up the sound and help make your audio quality better. The normal camera doesn't have this particular option in it. Alright, so I've tried that Open Camera. It didn't actually work. It worked better than before, but it wasn't perfect. I still had these issues which you might still be experiencing right now. So I decided to just go ahead and make the video as ugly or as bad as it sounds and put it out there and see if anyone has a better suggestions on what to do to help me make better videos, and also to help me with this issue with the microphone. The reason I didn't get the Type-C version of this microphone is because the current phone I'm using doesn't have Type-C. It isn't Type-C at all, and this is the only microphone that is compatible with this phone right now, the only wireless microphone that is compatible with this phone right now, and also very affordable for me. So it reduces the background noise, reduces the echo in the room as compared to the previous video I made without microphone, but yet the issue and the annoying sound with the microphone is making things worse. So if you've used this microphone and you've kind of expressed these issues and you were able to find a solution to it, please let me know in the comment section so I can fix this. In fact, I put up a post on Facebook saying that I'm going to review this microphone, and someone also gave me a very positive review that this microphone is even working with its own Nikon camera, which means that this works, and the issue is definitely from my end. Is that from my phone or from the settings or somewhere? I'm really working hard to making my videos better, especially the audio and the lighting, which is why I also got the rechargeable LED light, the one I'm currently using, because this room is dark and you can see my face clearly because of the LED light at the background. Also, I forgot to mention that when your receiver is plugged into your phone, after making your videos, remember the light is blue light. It must always be on blue to record your voice. Now, when you're done recording your video, you won't be able to hear yourself until you unplug the receiver from your phone, and then you can play the video and hear your own voice and the audio is going to play out. So you can hear what you said. You see the difference between no lights, no LED lights, and now there's lights. It's kind of it's harsh, but it's better. Bye. Thank you so much for watching this boring long video of mine, and I'll see you in the next one.